Hi everyone, this is Tanya with BluCure. Today we are going to show you how effective our universal cleaner, BluClean is. BluClean is a concentrated industrial strength cleaner for your workshop or daily cleaning needs. You can clean liquid clean armor up with BluClean, but you should not use BluClean to dilute clean armor products. Here we will show you how to dilute the cleaner with water. When your surface is not heavily soiled, we recommend diluting your cleaner. The dirtier your surface, the higher the concentration of BluClean. BluClean is available on our website in a gallon size. Before using BluClean, make sure to scrape off any thick, excessive grime, as that will expedite the cleaning process. BluClean can be used on any surface, not just a floor. It was just easier to show everyone how the products work by cleaning our super dirty lab floor. You don't need any fancy tools to use this cleaner. We show you how to clean with and without electric tools in this video. You can use BluClean on shower floors and walls, tile floors, countertops, baseboards, machinery, garage floors, and other surfaces as well. Immediately after applying BluClean, the dirt will lift off your surface. Now you can see the stark difference between what our floors used to look like before BluClean versus afterwards. This product did an amazing job. Thanks for watching.